I think today is my lucky day. Today is my lucky day. Like, oh my goodness. Oh, that's all I'm gonna show y'all. That's all I will show y'all. Yes. Okay, let me keep looking. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera around. Yeah, it's crowded. Yep, these are made by Cooler Bearers. Look at the price. Cooler Bearer, and you know that these are Uggs. Okay, look what I found too. Turn the flash down. It was a little too bright, but look at these right here. Like these are, it don't have a price on them, but yeah, these are Uggs. Okay, as you can see, but there's no price on them. So they are kind of stocked up. Wait, well, some more of the blue Cooler Barrels. That's a good price. Hey, I found some loafers by Cooler Bear. Look. Okay. And you know my eyes automatically are drawn to everything pink, so like I don't know, I just can't help it. But yes. And these are $19.99, so you can't beat that. Oh, these are very amazing. Look at that. This is a very nice color, you know, for the fall season. Yes. All right, found these. Look at this beautiful cranberry color. Like, yes. Okay, now if you have a rather large foot, they go up to 11 and a half. So, okay. But I'm over here with it. But let's look around. I am having a field day right now, okay? Like, shoes galore, like, yes. Yeah. this one is so cute. I like the checkered and plaits. And guess what? It is $8.99. This one may be kind of easy to make, of course. So yes, and then this one is second. I think this one is absolutely cute, and it looks like it has another box inside of there, which the price is very, very good. $8.99. Like, you cannot beat that. But you can try your hand and make them yourself. Maybe this one is kind of easy, but I really think this one would be very easy, especially if you're a crafty person. And then look, there's one back there for $5.99. So I think this one is absolutely so cute. And I want to say something about my space. Look. Now, don't get me wrong, the gold on here is a little high shine, but it's not high shine enough. But I like it. I think it's subtle. I think it's cute. But of course, I had to do more. Right there. These are cute, but these are cuter. Ooh, ooh, yeah. I know I be doing the most. Like, these are so, 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 so cute. Okay, look at the price. Look at the price. $15. Can't you see me right? $15.99. I have two of them. I got another rug too. Okay, for like $5.99. So like I said, $5.99. So I have three now. So I'll be able to put them together. Some standard pillowcases. These are in the color gray. $4.99. Okay, I needed one of these too. I was like, let me just go ahead and grab one. The holidays are coming up. Y'all like the little holiday, the little holiday, little everything up in there. But that was in Ross, but this, I'm still on DD's right now. So this wasn't bad. $5.99. Okay? I needed one. Got me one. I thought this stand right here was so befitting. It was $12.99. Anyway, I got these rugs right here for the restroom, for the bathroom, for $12.99. So soft. Go ahead and run the wash real quick. Okay, look, here we go. Okay, ooh, isn't it so cute? This shirt right here, it was only $11.99. And you know what? I'm gonna do a try on later on though. Later on. You thought I was gonna pass these up? No. Okay. Yes, I was never going to pass these up. It wouldn't be right. It would not be right. If I would just let these go. If I would just let these go. What? You're right. No. Ooh. Yes. Okay. You know that chandelier gold. Okay, got these socks right here. These socks, you know, Adidas. Okay. Yes, classic. Okay. And I end up getting this shirt right here. You see what this shirt says? Okay, Blossom and Beauty. What that say right there? You see? And isn't that true? Isn't that so true? I end up getting this too. This is for my son. Okay, so I got this. You know how they be liking to flex they little muscles. They little muscles and everything. Okay. And then I could not let this go. Okay, you get 6 pieces too, and then you see all the little gold sequin in there. Okay, do you have one of these stores in your town? Okay, one is there too. Picked up these beautiful hot pink flowers, and that was the price. Okay. I picked this up right here. You see the price on the front. Okay. Yes. I can't beat that. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. No, never mind. Oh, palm olive. Okay. I picked up this infinity scarf in a nice, beautiful. What is that color? Is that like a vegetable or fruit? Persimmon? Is that how you say it? But that's the color of it. It's like that rust, like beautiful color. You know, you can wear this multiple ways. Just look at all the ways you can wear it. You know. So that's the infinity scarf. That was that store. And I did go in Dollar Tree. I didn't get much out of Dollar Tree. Just got some foil zip bags. I also picked up trash bags. Cinnamon candy here. Pop one of these in your mouth after coffee, you know. And then I got here a beautiful gold pumpkin. Yes. Look at it. Ooh. It needs to be cleaned though. Okay. So that's that, and that has been the little haul. So I'm excited. I am so excited. I'm about to start. I'm gonna put the curtains up, and then I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna put the little stand right here, and then I'm gonna show you that. Okay. So hang on a minute. Hold on. Okay. Here it is. Like, I don't even want to cover the light, but as you can see, I just had to be extra. Oh my goodness. It was just so much gold. I couldn't resist. Yes. Okay, so now I'm about to throw these rugs down there because, yeah. Okay, so there are the rugs with a little hint of pink, a hint of pink. Okay. So I think I'm gonna be like this for a while. The only thing I need to do is put that stand there, so I'm about to do that right now. Okay, so this little space right here, I'm gonna put the stand like right there. Okay, like so. And I'm just gonna sit this gold base on it for now. I was like, it's missing something. It is really missing something, right?